Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the 4-point surface for creating the surfaces. Now, let's start. The command will be in surface, then just go to base, and here just go to more. Then we will find the fill. Under the heading of fill, we will get the 4-point surface. As per the definition, it is going to create a surface by specifying 4 corners. That means we have to define the 4 corners or say as 4 points. Then using those 4 points, it is going to create the surface. The short key for 4-point surface is Control plus 4. So let's start. First, we are going to understand the basics of 4-point surface, and then we are going to have the deeper understanding of this command that when to use the 4-point surface through this model. Now let's start. First, I'm just going to hide this body. So just hide it. Now we have few points in the graphics window. So quickly start with the 4-point surface command. Just go to 4-point surface, and here we have plenty of choices regarding the points. So if you want to have the information on these all points, you can watch my video on point. I'll attach the link for the same so that you can directly jump to that particular video. Now let's start with selecting the points. So this is going to be point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, and this is point 4. Now you can see we have defined the 4 corners or 4 points, and using those 4 points, we have created a surface. Just click on apply. Now, we are going to have some deeper understanding about this. Like, I have selected these red dots using the command of specifying points. And along with that, now what is the order for specifying the point? So this is a continuous loop for creating the surface. If I just do this thing like this, that means the random selection. So it will intersect the surface. So please be careful while using the 4-point surface that there should be a continuous loop from right to left or left to right. Okay. Now let's have a deeper understanding when do we use the 4-point surface. So I'm just going to show that body. So as you can see, using the 4-point surface, we are able to create only the linear surface. Linear surface means like this. This is linear. This is not curved. Okay, so we are able to generate the surface as per the point, and those points are going to be get connected linearly, not in the curved shape, like we have more control on the through curve or through curve mesh. So just go to 4-point surface here, and I'm just going to select these points. Now I hope that the usage of 4-point surface is clear to you, that here in this case we are not going to use the 4-point surface until or unless there is some requirement of the design in such way. So you have to be very careful that the transition takes place linearly in the case of 4-point surface. So I'm here to develop your thinking regarding the design. I'm not here just to teach you about the commands, but to develop the design thinking. Like here, I'm unable to use the 4-point surface because my requirement is the curved surface here. So you have to be very logical while using the commands. So that is all regarding this video. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of 4-point surface. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks so much.